Imagine you're standing at a crossroads. One path leads to Raiz, the other to CommSec. Both promise to help you grow your wealth. But which one is the better choice? Before we dive into the specifics, let's understand what these platforms are all about. Raiz is a micro-investing app that makes investing as easy as rounding up your spare change. CommSec, on the other hand, is a full-service brokerage firm offering a wider range of investment options but with a steeper learning curve. Comparing fees. Let's talk fees. Raiz has a simple fee structure, a monthly fee of $2.50. CommSec's fees can vary depending on the type of investment and transaction you're making. While CommSec might be cheaper for large transactions, Raiz's flat fee could be more appealing for small, regular investments. Investment options. Raiz offers a limited range of investment options, primarily ETFs, exchange-traded funds. CommSec, on the other hand, provides a much wider range, including shares, bonds, options, and more. If you're looking for a diverse portfolio, CommSec might be the better choice. But if simplicity is your priority, Raiz could be a good fit. Ease of use. Raiz is designed to be incredibly user-friendly. Even if you're new to investing, you'll be able to get started in minutes. CommSec, while not overly complex, requires a bit more knowledge and effort to navigate. If you're a beginner, Raiz might be the easier option. Customer support. Both Raiz and CommSec offer customer support. However, Raiz's customer support is generally rated higher. This could be due to its simpler product offering and smaller customer base. CommSec's customer support might be more complex to navigate, especially if you're dealing with a more complicated investment strategy. Which is better? The answer to the question, is Raiz better than CommSec, ultimately depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're a beginner looking for a simple, low-cost way to start investing, Raiz could be a great option. However, if you're seeking a more diverse range of investment options and are willing to put in the time to learn, CommSec might be a better fit. Ultimately, the best way to determine which platform is right for you is to do your own research and consider your specific goals and risk tolerance. Both Raiz and CommSec offer their own unique advantages and disadvantages. The key is to choose the one that aligns best with your investing style. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.